Forget every exotic creature you thought you knew. Nature has a golden glitch, and it is absolutely mesmerizing. Listen closely to the science behind this masterpiece, because genetics had to literally break its own rules to create it. Meet the opaline macaw. This is not a man-made hybrid. It is an ultra-rare, naturally occurring genetic phenomenon. Originating deep within the bloodlines of wild South American blue and gold macaws, the opaline mutation is a spectacular sex-linked marvel. So, what does this gene actually do? It acts like a biological prism. It strips away the dark melanin in the bird's feathers and violently supercharges the bright cytosine pigments.